Welcome back, friends. Today we have such fun Christmas crafts, and we're starting with this pack of pom poms. I got this on Amazon. Now, Dollar Tree does carry their own, so keep that in mind, but you get so much more bang for your buck when you buy them in bulk. This ornament came from Dollar Tree and has a beautiful light shape, and these fairy lights are from Amazon, and this part is actually optional. We're going to use a Chanel stem, and the first thing I noticed was that the top of the string does not come off, so we're going to leave it on for now. We're going to take the tip of my hot glue and we are going to poke a hole onto the plastic towards the top because that's what we're going to use to thread the string lights. Again, this part is optional. You do not have to have the lights on. It's still going to be very pretty without them, but it's a light bulb ornament, so I thought it has to have lights. All right, so I'm going to string or thread the lights through the little hole and then as we stuff. So we're going to do a little bit of stringing the lights and then a little bit of pom-poms and then lights and pom-poms. And we're going to continue to do this until the entire thing is filled. I want to see a lot of the lights, of course. I don't want them to hide in between the pom-pom. So I'm kind of purposely making sure that they are falling or arranging on the outside so that you can see them. It's actually really easy and it took no time. So once I had everything stuffed in, I do have, of course, the cable left over and the battery pack. Don't worry, we are going to do something with that. Look how cute it's looking. All right, we're going to place that top portion right back on. And then we are going to replace the string with the Chanel stem. I'm just going to cut it off, take half of a jumbo red Chanel stem. We're going to twist it at the bottom after we loop it. And then we're just going to hot glue it to the top. And it's a very lightweight piece, so it held on really well. You just hold it until it hardens. The leftover cable, we're just going to roll around in a tiny little circle and we're going to secure it in the back of the ornament with tape. So just pick which side you want it to be the back and then tape the remaining cable and hot glue the battery pack, and that is it. This ornament is stunning. I love it. My daughter kept it for her Christmas tree, of course. But what do you think? Let me know down in the comments. For this next Christmas craft, we're going to take one of these Dollar Tree foam cones, more of those pom-poms, some Mod Podge, and a wood stem from Dollar Tree. Again, some fairy lights, but it's optional, and my hot glue. All right, we're going to start by hot gluing the wood stem to the bottom of the cone and wait until it hardens. And then we're starting with Mod Podge. Here's the thing. I thought Mod Podge could work, and I was so excited because I thought, okay, yay, an option without hot glue. Yeah. Let's move on. They were not sticking, and I added quite a bit of thick amount of Mod Podge. It did not work. So then I moved on to the tacky glue. It's very thick, very gel-like, and it was working, friends. I thought, yes. So I started plastering it on, brushing it on really thick, and adding the pom-poms. Did it work? Yes, technically it did. But did it work fast enough? No, because this is a round piece. Now, if we were doing like a flat piece, absolutely use the tacky glue and just wait until it dries. But this is a round piece, so every time I turned it around to continue adding more pom-poms, they kept falling from behind. So I just gave up and just started using the hot glue. You do what you need to do, of course, but this would be a great craft that you can do with your older kiddos. So I just covered the entire thing with the pom-poms, including the very top of it. And then I did go around and making sure that any tiny little holes were filled in with an extra little pom-pom. All right, so now we're going to take the fairy lights and we're just going to wrap them around really easily. Literally, just wrap them around. And then the remaining excess battery pack, hot glue it to the back. That's it. Such an easy craft. Now, did it take me a little long because I couldn't figure the glue out? Yes. But it's actually really easy and it's so beautiful. I love the glow of the lights. But what do you think of this one? Let me know down in the comments. For this next Christmas craft, we're going to take more pom-poms, more Mod Podge, and I promise it's going to work this time. And then some construction paper and some cardboard. A couple of bowls, although I did change one of them. And then we're going to take my pencil, and of course we're going to need scissors and hot glue as well for this one. Okay. So, oh, and some ribbon. Yes. All right. So we're going to start by placing the construction paper on top of the cardboard. It doesn't matter. We just want to cut a piece of the construction paper that's going to fit the largest bowl or whatever object you have that is round. Then we're going to add many amounts of Mod Podge, and we're just going to spread it around with a brush. And then we're going to place the construction paper on top of the cardboard. Now you can also use just a construction paper, or if you have stock paper, but I wanted this one to be a little sturdier, so the cardboard really helped. So now we're going to trace the bowl right on top. And then I thought the little bowl was just still too big. So I'm going to take my masking tape and we're going to use that instead, because we're going to create a nice, cute little Christmas wreath. All right, so once everything is drawn, we're just going to cut off the excess cardboard from the outside as well as the inside, creating a wheel, I guess, and it's just going to be a small little wreath. Now we're going to take the pom-poms and we're just going to start hot gluing them all around the wreath. You can add as many as you want or as little as you want. It does not matter. The part that I love is that you can have fun and choose that. We're going to take this ribbon. You can use any ribbon, of course, but this one came from the Dollar Tree. And we are going to scrunch it in the middle after we looped it like an awareness ribbon. We're going to tie it in the center with a little bit of string. And then we're going to cut off the excess and we're going to angle cut the bows or the legs of the bows. That way it's going to look nice and pretty. We're going to hot glue it with what will be the top of the wreath. And then to the back, we're just going to add a little loop of string. We're going to tie it and we're going to both hot glue it and tape it. And that way it's not going to go anywhere. But what a cute little wreath you can make. You can make this bigger, smaller. You can turn this into an ornament, whatever you want. I think it's such a fun craft. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. I have another video here for you with tons more of Christmas crafts. Check it out. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.